Guys, we have overstayed without talking about Wode. So Wode is one of the best content creators in Africa. He's a Ghanaian. But guys, what has amazed us, it is how Wode is able to live a luxury life, yet being able to make content and also to tour around the world. The other day he was in Ghana. He went to Tanzania, to be specific, to Zanzibar. Now he is in Kenya. And guess what? Where he's living is Gigiri Lions Villa. That's one of the biggest and also one of the most expensive places to live here in Kenya. And apart from that, even Mr. Trudeau was amazed to see that Wode is making his travels within Kenya, here to there, using a Maybach. He was like, is that a Maybach I'm seeing you on? Damn. This super beautiful. Imagine from nothing to traveling around with a maybe. This super beautiful, guys. I'm also working hard at least to achieve this such kind of a dream. Guys, Wadema is one of the best content creators. So if you don't watch him, just head on and go check him out. He's one of the best content creators, and he normally spread a love about Africa. It is one Africa, one love. So guys, just drop your comment. Tell us what do you think about this improvised lifestyle that Wademaya is living. Imagine the other day Wademaya was saying that he borrowed money to sponsor his first visit to Tanzania, and now he's just living a life here without loans or just life. He is just paid to do all those stuffs. Imagine. But that's it. Until next time. See you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.